Can I show you an underrated AI business that is earning people $300 a day, $500 a day, and even over $700 plus per day? And can I show you the exact AI tools that this business uses to run it as a solo one-person business with 0 employees so that you can do this too? Well, that is the challenge I have set myself today, and I don't want to waste your time. So, let's just jump straight into it. We're going to start out by looking at what this business actually is and how it's able to earn so much money. Yep, so here it is. It's the AI niche music business. I talked about this a few weeks ago on this channel, and a lot of people requested I make a full step-by-step tutorial. So, here is that video. But yes, Bates. Basically, I shared how there are AI background music videos in very specific niches that are at least 1 hour long, which feature a bunch of songs put together as a montage, such as African tribal music or oud guitar music, that are wildly popular, getting millions of views and earning their creators hundreds of thousands of dollars here on YouTube. Nay, find it really interesting because before AI, this was a business that was basically impossible to do. So, for example, you take this video here, right? This is super specific. It is just a bunch of Tibetan flute songs. And look, it has had over 12 million views. And if you check out their description, you'll see that they've labeled that it was AI generated. And I'm not surprised, right? Because think about it. In the past, to have made this, it would have been really hard. You would have had to have found and hired someone who can even play to be flute music. And that's a really niche skill. So, you could have easily paid over $1,000 to someone to make this music for you. But now with AI, as I'll show you, you can make these videos for just 20 cents to as low as 8 cents per video. It's